In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make 200 cherry leaves particles in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. Start by opening Minecraft Java Edition on your computer. From there, either create a new world or open a world that you already have. Before you continue, make sure cheats are enabled in that world. This is important because the particle command will only work if commands are allowed. Once your world finishes loading, wait until you are fully in the game and able to move around normally. You can stand wherever you want the particle effect to appear, because the command will spawn the cherry leaves around your current position. Now press the T key on your keyboard. This will open the in-game chat window, which is where you can enter commands in Minecraft Java Edition. After the chat box appears, type the command exactly as shown, /particle Minecraft cherry leaves, tilde, tilde 1, tilde 1 1, 110, 200 forced. Written out in command form, it is /particle Minecraft : cherry _ leaves, space tilde 1, space tilde space 1, space 1 space 1, space 0 space 200, space force. As soon as you do that, Minecraft will generate 200 cherry leaves particles around you. The effect will appear near your position and spread through the area based on the values in the command. The particle type is set to Minecraft cherry leaves. The tilde symbols tell Minecraft to use your current location. The tilde 1 in the middle places the effect one block above you. The 3 ones after that control the spread area, so the particles appear in a space around your character. The 0 sets the speed value, and the 200 sets the number of particles. The word force makes sure the particles are shown from farther away when possible. If the command does not work, check that cheats are enabled, and make sure you typed every part correctly, including the colon, underscore, spaces, and number values. Even a small typo can stop the command from running. Once the command works, you will see the cherry leaves particle effect appear instantly. You can run the command again anytime you want to create the same effect, and that is all there is to it.